Hello. Today we are going to learn the basic concept about the software, CAD modeling software. So first of all, we will clear the initial interface of the software. This is a graphical window. This is a main toolbar. So how we can enter into the software? Just click on the new. After clicking on the new, this new window will be open. So click on the model. We can select the unit system, either millimeter or either inches. Next, just click on the OK. Suppose you want to give the name, specific name for component, for model, you can give. So just click on the OK. Now this is a initial interface of the NX CAD software. So this is a graphical window, this is a coordinate system, this is a model tree. Model tree we can also called as a part navigator. This is a main toolbar, main command bar. This is a quick access toolbar. This is a command finder. Suppose some commands we are unable to find, so we can find with the help of this command finder. And this is a status bar. Each and every message will pop up through this status bar. So now how we can select the particular plane? So with the help of that plane we can create the sketch, we can draw the sketch. So just click on the initial step, sketch in task environment, and just select the bottom plane, whichever plane you want to select. You can select the plane. So I'm just selecting the bottom plane. Okay. Next, so in this particular sketcher environment interface, so many commands are available. For example, profile, rectangle, line, arc, circle. Here many more commands are available. So one by one we will just see which commands are available in the sketching. So this first is a profile. So in this profile, how we can create a sketch? So like this I am selecting profile, and like this I am just drawing simple. So profile means, in short, continuous line. We can draw continuous profile, continuous line. Next, rectangle. So how we can draw the rectangle? So there are three ways, three methods we can draw the rectangle. So first one is a by 2 points, by 3 points, and from the center. So I'm just selecting on a by 2 points, like this, by 2 points. How we can draw the by 3 points? Just first point, second point, and the third point. And last one is a from center. So from center is it is similar to the by 3 points. So just first point, second point, and third point. So we can draw the rectangle with the help of three ways, three methods: by 2 points, by 3 points, and from the center, with the taking reference of the center. Next, third command is very important, line command. So line command, we can create a simple line. So just is a line command. Next, suppose next command is arc command. Suppose we want to draw, we want to create an arc having some radius. So how we can draw? So first there are two types, by 3 points and from the center. So first by 3 points, click first point, second point, and the third point. Similar like from center. In this type, it will take the reference, it will taking the reference of center. So first, second, and you just observe taking the reference of third point. Next, circle. There are two types of circle, from center and by 3 points. So from center, like this, with the help of by 3 points 1, 2 and 3. So it is a circle. Next, how we can delete the particular sketch, whichever sketch we want to trim or we want to delete. So with the help of trim command we can delete the sketch. So just click on the trim. I'm just selecting the sketch, which sketch we want to trim or delete. So this is a quick trim. Next, quick extend. It is very important command. So how we can extend the line? So just I'm creating a simple line. Again I'm just creating a one simple line at offset distance. Now click on the quick extend, select the curve, which line you want to extend. So I'm just selecting through this. So it will extend it up to the next line, up to the next obstacle. So these are the basic commands which useful in the sketching of NX software, NX CAD software. So many commands, few commands are available in this sketching. So we will see the remaining commands in the next YouTube session. So thank you so much for watching this video. So just like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.